Mowgli, Mowgli.
Whoa.
Here, birdie. Watch out! Here I go!
Go get him, guys. Go get him. Quick, go get him. Go get him. Oh, Nika's stuck. Go get him.
Stop me! Stop me! Ah! Ah! Not too much snow.
Go get him, Nika. Go get him.
Nika!
What are you guys doing?
Mama, this is what I did in the front.
Yeah?
Made pass.
Look at, they're all attacking Demon. Get Demon. Go get him. Nika's behind you. Nika. Are you a little cold or? Oh, look at Naya's down there. Naya's actually down in the snow like a real husky. Naya.
Naya, say goodbye. You're in my snow blower.
Nika wants to play with you. Aw, Nika loves you. Get him, Nika. You don't have to scream at her.
Let me guess. Nika's behind me.
She is now.
I realize. Oh! I love you. I love you, Nika.
Why don't you run around and see if she'll chase you?
What?
Go run around.
Nika. Ow!
Now they're attacking. Nico, what's he doing? Go get him, Nika. Go get him. Go ahead, go get him. Nathan's poor treehouse on his swing set broke. And you really can't tell how deep it is, but it's pretty deep. You tired yet? Figured. He's hanging out on the snow piles. Here comes the crazy one. Naya still doesn't want to be in the snow. What, Naya Baya? You want to go inside? You should be outside. You're a husky. What does your face look like? Naya, why don't you go play? Okay, let's go check. See how tall. Stand next to the snow and we'll see how tall it is right there. It's not really that tall. Okay, let's go to the coop. Let's see.
I can't.
There's my girls. How's everybody doing? Survived. Got some eggs. Nice. So it is Wednesday the 28th. Nathan doesn't have school again. And the rooster is talking. He's in there somewhere. Did pretty well. Probably about like 3 feet. What do you think? 3 feet?
Yeah.
Maybe. We were lucky because it wasn't so wet. Didn't break power lines or make me lose my DirecTV. But yeah, all in all, it's okay. Chicken coop, roof. Shoveled that off yesterday so that it wouldn't collapse. Nathan's making his way to somewhere. Assuming his swing set. Not really sure. But it's pretty deep in a lot of spots because there was a lot of drifting. So maybe don't mind my nose running. Maybe we can see the girls. Hi, girls. What are you girls doing? Just hanging out. They survived Blizzard 2015. Nathan's still trying to make it out there. And the rooster wants us to know he's here. So, that's it for right now. How are you gonna get back from over there?